You are staring at your screen, focused and ready, but your performance is lagging. You feel the stutter, but why? It is the bush. Titan Gush is a precision game, and that untamed forest between your legs is creating massive friction. It is time to face the truth. Grab the razor, swipe left, swipe right, and clear the path. Less hair means less drag, more speed, and significantly better aim. Our testers saw a 40% increase in headshots once they went bald down there. Precision starts where the friction ends. Experience the smooth glide of victory. Now that you are aerodynamic, you need the uniform to match your speed. Wear it to the office, the grocery store, or even your parents' basement. You will look like a true visionary even if you are just clicking buttons. It is more than a hoodie, it is a statement of dominance. Stop living in the jungle and start winning. Grab your razor, get the hoodie, and dominate the leaderboard today. Visit us at www.tggamesbase44app. Titan Gush. Shave it, wear it, and win it. Your peak performance is just one click away.